Hey, what's up, friends and family? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. All right, guys, so I wanted to give you all an update of how things have been going for me for the past 3 weeks. Last week, guys, I've had a breakthrough. I would say that I was pain-free for maybe 90% of last week, and it's just a result of me playing around with a particular program that addresses where I feel the pain at the most. And I just tried different settings and I found a setting that works really well for me. It turns out running my programs at a lower frequency on the pulse rate, it really worked wonders for me. So I'll dig into that in depth into a further, in another video. Other than that, guys, I just got through cutting my lawn for the first time for 2022. Feeling kind of okay today. I'm about a 2.5. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I would feel it a little bit more come tomorrow. If you hear the background noise, please pay it no mind. It's my son. But I've been sleeping really well overnight. I haven't been tossing and turning a whole lot. I haven't been feeling any discomfort from my leads, from the scar tissue. I haven't been feeling any of that. But I do still have the implant site pain here and there. It's not bothering me a whole lot, but it's just only in instances where it's like that pulse generator and it reaches the end of the pocket and it does become uncomfortable for me. So right now I'm wearing some leisure wear. I have on some sweats and a t-shirt, you know. So I'm just relaxing for now. I had a really, really good week last week. So, I did get a lot done around the house, and cutting the grass would be the crown jewel for now. So I guess I have to sit back and see how I feel, and I'll let you all know how I feel in the next video. And also stay tuned. I'll be releasing another video maybe in about 4 to 5 days, give or take. Okay. And I'll give you all an update on me and how I'm going and what I'm doing. Okay. But right now, for those of you who are considering a spinal cord stimulator, I can personally say that this is something that is worth trying. I must admit that it is not for everyone, and it's definitely not for the faint at heart. It will be rough in the beginning, but as your body heal up over time, things will settle down and then you'll get to that relief. Usually they will give you about 8 to 12 weeks to recover, but in all actuality with your body, you're going to feel cobwebs for about 4 months, really, and what I mean by cobwebs is like, once you heal up some on the surface, you'll still be healing internally. So it's going to be certain movements that you make that will cause a little breakthrough pain here and there. But, that's what your program is for. Speaking of programs, I need to change, but I'll do that in a moment. But the programs that'll make a huge difference. So I just highly encourage you to try to tinker with your settings a little bit. And remember, when you're done, before you change programs, never save the settings if you make changes. If you're going to make another version of the program your rep designed, copy it to another location on your remote control. And that way you'll still have your authentic program that was designed by your rep. Okay. But right now, I'm just going to go take me an ibuprofen, put a little something on my stomach and relax. So that's going to sum up today's video, guys. And if y'all have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comment box below. If you're new to the channel, please smash the subscribe button so you don't miss when I drop another video. And also, if you haven't already, take a look at my playlist tab. Just click on my channel, click playlist, and check out my spinal cord stimulator patient playlist. It contains all the videos that I've ever done since my trial, all the way up until this point, moving forward. And I do thank all those who stayed until the end. And until we meet again, please stay safe, hold it in the road, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Okay? Peace.